What's going on, everybody, and welcome to day one of the motor swap. So we're at the hobby shop right now. I actually just finished filming the last video you guys watched, and Nismo and David are already here. They've already started on the car. They've already started on the tear down process. I still had to work and then go pick those up, so it took me a little longer, but now we're gonna jump inside and get into it and see what's going on. Welcome to the hobby shop. There's the two experts, David and Nismo.
Hell yeah. That's the easiest that thing ever came out. Oh, I love that. Literally came out. Yeah. It's your typical torn boot.
Exhaust on the R33 install. A few other cool cars here: Supras, GTO, Sylvia, R33. So here's what we had done today. Nismo and David did pretty much all the work today. What we got done?
Today we got radiator out. We got all the intercooler piping off. We pretty much took all heater hoses. We took the transmission off, which is sitting over there. Clutch, we'll take that off tomorrow after we get the engine out. And we got the shifter out. Pretty much all the necessity things to take an engine out. We took it all off.
Got the other motor out of the van.
Tomorrow we'll be swapping over. We'll put the N1 turbos on it.
Yeah, come to find out, they are N1 R34 turbos. I didn't even know. So tomorrow should be the big day where this one goes out and the other one goes in, and Sunday a cleanup, get everything together day.
And she's yours again.
It's gonna be nice. I was gonna make 3 separate videos for the swap, day 1, day 2, and day 3. But today, like I said, I didn't really make it to the shop until there was only a couple hours left before they close. And Nismo and David took care of mostly everything today before I even got there. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the video, and I will see you guys in the morning. Rise and shine, day 2 has arrived. Stopped at the gas station this morning and picked up a couple cans of brake cleaner so we can clean off the new RB26 that's going in, just so we can see if there's any leaks once it's in and it's on. See if there's any new leaks. And some mag and aluminum polish, because I cleaned up these last night, but I don't know where my polish went, so I had to get some more. But now we're off to the hobby shop to get started. Back at the hobby shop, there's the motor we pulled from the van last night. This one should be ready pretty soon. Trying to make sure we get the chain on there good. Get everything else taken off so it can come out here in the next couple minutes. I did mention last night that we had thought that these were the N1s, but after some research last night, David did, the N1s actually have a little rectangular raised up piece right here, so these are just the normal R34 GTR turbos like we originally thought. Nice of you to join us.
Hey!
What's over here catching?
We gotta get the starter in between that hose right there.
This is a 326.
Huh?
This is a 326.
I guess, yeah.
Is that the color?
Yeah.
Is that the rare one?
Well, you put plastic dip on it.
I was trying to protect it. I knew it the whole time.
Was it rare white?
See, look at you guys saving something. Saving something important.
Yeah.
Saving a
look at
piece of
you.
history.
Didn't even know it.
We'll go home and look at it tonight, and he'll message me again and let me down again.
Oh, I know it is.
Yay. What the fuck? Damn, room for the transmission.
She's out. Nothing there. Let's see if I can clean this up a little bit while the motor's out. Nismo and David are getting started tearing down this one to put the accessories over here. Excuse me. We're gonna go inside and see if we can order another one of these gaskets. Actually, two more, because they didn't have enough at B&M the other day. Didn't have any of the gaskets in stock. They're gonna look around and call a couple places and let us know if they can get them. He's still over here working on getting the intake manifold off.
I'm working. Oh my god.
Guess he's working.
I'm working.
First time for everything.
David's over here working on this side.
No chill. He never stops. Never stop.
And while they're doing that, work on shining these up a little bit. Intake manifold is off over here. Try to clean it up a little bit. Nismo is going to work on getting this intake manifold off, and we're going to put the one from my old motor on it, just because it's going to look a little better. David's doing work on the turbo side. This is what I was talking about with the possible N1 R34 turbos, this little rectangle piece right here. And this is on the turbos that were on my motor originally. So it looks like these are going to end up being possibly N1 R34 turbos or Nismo R32 turbos. We're going to have to take a look once he gets them off. So here's what we found out about the turbos. These are the stock R34 turbos. And this one right here was on the motor I had in the car. This little rectangular piece makes it the R32 Nismo turbo. They're both pretty good turbos. I mean, obviously better than stock R32 turbos, but we decided to go with the R34s. The compressor wheel in the 32 Nismos is a little chipped up. Not really anything that would affect it. He says it'll buff out. I mean, I don't know about that. No shaft play really in either of them. So they're both good turbos, but I think we're gonna go with the 34s for now. And here's where we are at with the rest of it. This motor is pretty much taken apart. David is putting the turbos on the new motor. Nismo's got the intake manifold off over here and the throttle bodies. I'm about to clean up the throttle bodies a little bit. And then after that, we'll do the timing job and the water pump on this one. Cleaned up a little bit. One turbo on, the other one on shortly. Now we're going to work on getting the clutch off of this one and put onto the other motor. Stepped out of the hobby shop for a minute. We are at the gas station now, going to see if we can find some new spark plugs. We are looking for BCP R6EIX11P. My battery is about to die. I gotta get back to the shop and get another battery in this thing, but they did have the spark plugs. They aren't exactly the same. They don't have the P on the end, but these will work just fine. So we're gonna head back now. Nismo's got almost everything back together over here, I think. Yep. Pulling the thermostat out. Take a look at that old one.
Looks bad, Mike. You look sick.
That's what was in there. That's pretty gross.
That fucker looks sick.
What do you have left on this side? That's it?
Clean it.
David has finished this side.
Well, for those that may not know, anytime you do a thermostat, they all will have this, and also it needs to be pointing at 12 o'clock. Always point at 12 o'clock. Some of them will have stuff written on them, but like it has top there and it has an arrow pointing up. Cool. But yeah, stick it in. Make sure you clean the surface. Make sure that 12 o'clock. Put it there.
What's that look like?
Dicks out for Harambe.
Dicks out for Harambe.
Let's play a game.
No.
Glad we did do a water pump.
Right. Well, that's what sitting for a year. I don't think he had it covered up either.
The old water pump.
Oh my God, this stuff is strong.
Sorry.
I can't breathe. You need to breathe.
You're okay. You see that? It's magic.
There's numbers on that. So I'm out I'm looking for a new work partner. If there's anybody out there.
What?
I ain't talking to you. I'm talking to the camera.
Had to make a run to the gas station again for some belts. But look at this. I think we're missing a classic car show on base today. Just got back from getting the other belts, and Nismo and David have finished up the timing belt.
I spun twice already.
Timing belt's on now. It is timed. Yes, definitely. And it's time down there too. Motor's in.
Just gotta hook everything up and she's ready to go. Ready to blow.
A little quicker said than done. AC going on over here. Update time. Accessory belts are on. Wiring harness ready. Everything over here is starting to get hooked back up. Thing looks kind of brittle.
What?
Wiring harness.
It'll buff out.
I guess everything just buffs out. I wish the other motor had just buffed out. We getting there. 2 hours till close time. And only one battery left too.
Use your time wisely.
So it's about 8 o'clock, they're about to close. This is gonna be it for the night. A few things to wrap up in the morning. Ran a quart of oil through it to kind of flush it out. What else? Half shaft has to go on still. The exhaust has to go back on still. Yep, charge pipe. All the piping. Then oil. Valve cover swap. Look good. Hopefully run good. Good night, GTR. See you in the morning. I hope y'all enjoyed day 1 and 2 of the swap. I know it's probably not as detailed as some of you were hoping, but we are on a strict time schedule trying to get it finished this weekend. It's hourly rates for the stalls there, so I don't really have the time to go in depth with everything and like explain how it all works, and especially since I don't even know exactly how all of it works. David and Nismo are awesome. They know exactly what they're doing. They are the best Nissan mechanics here to work on any car if you ever need help working on your car. We are pretty close to being done, as you all saw. There's just those few things that need to be wrapped up in the morning, and then we should get to start it up and see how she runs. That was 12 hours of being in that shop today. I'm absolutely tired. We'll be at it early again tomorrow. I don't think they open until 10 o'clock maybe, so not too early, but we'll be at it, and I'll be videoing the last day. Thank you guys so much for the support. I did been posting some pictures on the Facebook page and did a couple live streams on Instagram. So if you haven't yet, go onto there and follow me on those, because I will be doing live streams of other things, car meets, any other random maintenance, just random things, just to give you guys some little bit of live action. But I'm burnt. I'm ready to go upstairs, get a shower, and go to sleep and get back at it tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.